up. And lift. Lower down. That's it. And down. Lift up and lower down. Now lift up. Lower down. You got this. And down. Holding the squat position with proper form is just as important as the calf raise. And lift and lower down. Now stand. Way to go on that exercise. Now carry that momentum forward. Come on, let's go. Get that body moving now. You're doing a great job pushing the limits with this pace. Way to work up a sweat with this pace and burn off calories. Way to work it. Keep up that intensity on everything you do today. Alternating reverse lunges. Start in a shoulder width stance and take a large step back with your right leg. Let's get ready to burn off some calories and work it. And lunge back. Now drive